All right, our first outfit is sorry.
You can see the whole thing.
I can take it out.
I feel so tall.
Our first outfit.
Does it show everything?
It's alright.
I can't see, so that's why.
Push back. Come on. Go back.
Does it show?
This is our first outfit. Okay. So I have to rate it. So technically, this is the
This is for Fashion Over.
and it's a pants.
It's a little big. It's a size. What size is it? It's a large.
I like the mocha color.
Yeah. Can you put Bill?
I think so. No.
No, you can Bill. Okay. So I love the outfit. I like the whole stocking with the heels. Like yes. So I'm gonna rate the outfit as a 10. I'm gonna rate this because this is Fashion Nova rating. So I'm gonna rate this a 9. The reason one thing I said I don't like about it is the fact that you can't put a belt. But other than that, it's really nice.
Let's check the twerking.
You know, the booty is popping. Okay. The booty is on point. You know, everything is on point, and it doesn't look like it's too tight. Is it?
It's not. It's very comfortable.
It's very comfortable. Yeah, I like it.
And
I like the color. That's it. It looks really nice on color woman. You know what I'm saying woman of color. That's what I mean. But yes. Do it. Okay, next. Damn, mama. Can I have your number? I just thought you were going to okay. Ooh. So I like this a lot. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is definitely a 10. I just love the polka dots. I just love the whole black and white. I love the little thing, show a little cleavage. Oh yes.
That's her body.
Oh my gosh, I love this. And turn around, let me see. Yes, and it gives you, booty. You can't really see it though, but you have to get a little bit close. But it's there. You know what I'm saying? Oh yes. Okay. Okay, take it back now. One hop this one. Okay. Oh, turn around. The only thing about this thing is you have to get a strapless bra, right?
Yeah. This is a medium dress. I'd wear this dress for like a night out, you know what I'm saying, with some cream or beige heels or flats, because sometimes some girls can't walk on heels. I want to know.
Oh my, this dress just looks so good on you.
Nice silver necklace. Bam.
Yeah, you go all the way overall.
Overall jumpsuit. Oh yes. Oh okay, I see you, girl. Alright, she's wearing a bra right now, but you can wear with a t-shirt or other things. Yes. Oh my gosh.
I hate that it's too long. Like you can barely see my feet.
You know.
Cause I'm short.
No. But it's by height. Where were you? But okay.
I love my height. 5 feet tall.
Yeah. No, this is really cute though. This makes me want one. And this, I think the color black too. Yes. Oh my gosh. I like it.
You should wear that with extremely high
this
heels.
This is definitely a 10.
It's a flare bottom.
One thing I would say is if you are short, it is like a little bit long. And also too, is the size is not true to what it says it is, right?
Yeah, if you're like my size, which is 160 pounds, don't get a large. Get an extra large so you can have some room.
But I feel like an extra large though, because these pants look like the more you wear it, it's gonna get bigger.
Yeah, because it is kind of like.
Because I have a pants not like this, but it looks like the same material, and like it's a size 5, and it's like really huge, and I'm a size 9. So.
Yo, ça semble qu'on comprend pas la terre.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Yeah, it's the bell bottom is too long. But you know, if you wear it with heels, maybe if you wear it with heels, it's on me. What in the what is the thing called? I forgot, like the Haitian tubaru type of thing. I think if you wear it with heels, like very high heels, you will be fine.
Basically.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. But yeah, it's good. Turn around. Let me see how the booty, because this is, you know, one of the important things. Yes, like it'll shape and make your booty look extremely nice. I would definitely say that. You know, usually overall look weird. Oh my god. Overall, sometimes like I don't know, it looks
it's saggy.
It looks saggy, but this one it's like fitted. It looks like it looks separate. It looks like this is the pants and this is like a top. It looks really nice. I like it.
Not saggy, baggy.
We're using natural light.
It's a natural light. Is it working?
Yeah, it's working.
Do you guys prefer
Turn
the
around.
natural lighting, or you guys?
Yes. When you're looking for jeans, you want to make sure that you have this, and stuff. Yes, the mom jeans. You know, usually mom jeans give you like a weird looking shape booty and stuff, but this mom jean look really like good. Like the camera is not even doing how good it looks. Like it looks better when I'm looking at it right now than than on camera. But it looks really good. Maybe get it a little bit closer and stuff so you could show it. Like, you know, turn this side so you can see straight, because the way the camera look like, you know, but it's bigger. Okay, good. Yes.
I wonder how it would look if I flip the camera to the
I
other
really
side.
like it. I like this. Yeah. Yeah. I'll put it at 9. The only reason is because it's short. I don't like the fact that if I'm tall, it's just halfway. But for short people, definitely a 10. But this is a mom jean, so it's supposed to have that like, you know, like short look, if that makes sense.
Oh, I'm just showing you how like comfortable it look. It felt like I can move my body like karate, punch, punch. You know? Pew pew. Huh?
Sabe
You
o que
wanna
é?
mess with me?
Sabe o que é? Ui,
Knock you down.
Now, mom life, you know what I mean?
KO.
What is the snake?
No me acuerdo, ¿no?
The movie we were watching.
Wait, karate.
What is the
Jackie
snake?
Chan.
But this looks really cute.
Du var det bara kul?
My God, my God, it's
I just wish they did please
we are
more
Haitian
ribs.
sister. Yeah.
I just feel like what bagay sa yo, chaque time I shim, le m'a met again, toujours mettre piment dedans.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, it's just like,
See, tout ça qui est touché.
yeah.
Yeah, on mettait pas ça là-dedans.
Yeah. But I wish that we could get plus rip right here.
Yeah, but like, go lucky game or please rip.
On 9?
No, the other one.
Oh, okay.
You'll see it.
Alright then. Yep. So this is a 9. Because it needs a rip and it's a little bit short.
Throw it.
What it look like.
I'll
But-
show you my booty without it underwear. I mean, you tell me.
Alright, let's go. Look at this. So this is the other one. It's basically similar, but it's lighter and stuff. But damn, like this make your booty look really, 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 really good. Like extremely good. Like I don't know how good the cameras capture how good it make it look. Okay. So keep on doing your squat if this is what you're doing. And yes. Turn around. Let's see the rips and stuff. Ew. Let's keep the illusions, okay? So,
I like the bottom.
yeah, I like the bottom
It
too.
gives it like a, and it has ruffles.
Yes. Yes. There's something about that jeans. Maybe it's this. You see how it's like the way this look? I don't know what it is, but it looks so comfortable. Is it comfortable?
It is. Let me see if I can do some karate. I think I could do.
Will the pockets
The
work?
other one.
Yeah.
Do the pockets work?
They work. Yeah. I like the fact this have more rib than the other one. And the ribs are not bigger. Like the other one, the ribs are a little bit bigger. Just something about that jeans look really nice on you though. This is definitely a 11. That's not a 10. That's an 11.
Can you know?
It's 11.
Nice.
It's a size 11.
Oh no, I'm rating it as 11.
It's a size 11.
But oh, it's really good. I like
I
that.
haven't worn jeans in like forever.
So yeah, you only wear leggings.
Yeah. I wear leggings because when I wear jeans, it just makes my bum feel so weird. Inside joke with the sister.
Yeah, inside joke, girl. It's a whole different
Video.
Yeah.
Like, twerking session.
To be the best. 1, 2, 3. You okay down there? Okay. Ça va faire la mes amis.
I don't even know.
But yeah, that's my favorite one. I think out of all the Fashion Nova, definitely the dress and definitely this pants. The dress and the pants make you look so good. When we watch this video, you're gonna see how much macaque will bet.
We gonna crop all that shit out.
Like,
Ooh, look how sweaty I am. I don't know how people be doing those things. I'm like glowing from sweat.
there's a big difference between glowing and sweating.
That's glowing, baby.
That's glowing, baby.
Now let me go to the good story
Subscribe.
for more video like this. And down below, let us know which outfit you like, which jeans you like.
Yeah.
Buddy.
Personally, this is my favorite. But yeah.
I like all of them because I wear them.
But comment down below. I think right now Fashion Nova is doing this BOGO sale, which is buy one get one free. So go check it out. They usually have a 30% off. Check them out and stuff. But yeah, Fashion Nova, thumbs up. Thank you. Bye. Bye.